Kosher. Welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for today for you guys, and this one is all about preschool lunches. I'm going to show you guys 5 lunches that I make for 5 days of the week for my toddler. We try to keep things pretty healthy with our lunches, so I always go for like a protein, a fruit, and a vegetable. And we are a kosher style family, so you won't see things like bacon or shrimp or that sort of thing. And his school is completely nut free, which is a struggle because they can't put peanut butter or almond butter, things like that in his lunch, but I totally understand it's much harder for kids that actually have those allergies, so I'm gonna try not to complain. And yeah, for his lunches, I always use this Bento Kids lunchbox. I think I got it on Amazon, so I'm gonna link it in the description below. And what I love about it is because it's a bento box, it has all these individual compartments. I don't have to use single-use plastic items like little plastic baggies and stuff like that to keep the food separated. So that's really important to me. And I've had this lunchbox for him for like at least 6 months now, and I really like it. Super easy to clean and use. So yeah, let's get into the meals. If you're new to my channel, by the way, welcome. I make videos about being a Jewish mom, minimalism with kids, all things like that. I'd love for you to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. So the first thing I do to prep for school lunches is chop up a bunch of fruit. My son loves strawberries, blueberries, and these little oranges. I have to chop everything because he's only 1.5 years old, so I don't want to put anything in his lunch that could be a choking hazard. But yeah, these are his favorite fruit. Next, I'll work on some veggies. He loves cucumbers and baby tomatoes and bell peppers. So I just chop them into long sphere shapes so that they won't present any choking hazards again. And yeah, it does take a while to chop all this stuff up nice and small, but that's why I like to do it all together at the beginning of the week. Okay, and then for proteins, I've got falafel balls, organic cheese, black beans, and some leftover chicken. Then the one meal I'm going to make for dinner and use as leftovers for lunch is a healthy mac and cheese. I do this by putting squash into the mac and cheese. You can't even really taste it. It just gives it a nice creamy texture and adds some good nutrients. By the way, I'm so terrible at chopping squash. If anyone has tips for me, let me know. So then I just boil it and boil some noodles, and then I use my immersion blender. Once the squash is boiled, I'll just add a little bit of butter and some organic Munster cheese, and it creates such a delicious creamy mixture for the mac and cheese. And then I use these fun spiral noodles. My son, like I said, he's a toddler, he loves them. Also, does anyone else spill all over the place all the time? Just me? Okay, and then I just add a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's the mac and cheese. Okay, so for my first lunch on Monday, we've got healthy mac and cheese pasta, some cucumbers, strawberries and blueberries, and a little bit of some Annie's organic cheddar snack crackers. He loves those. Tuesday, meal number 2, we've got the leftover chicken. This was just from dinner this weekend. It's really good, and I've just shredded it up. Then I've got some oranges and orange bell peppers and some sliced up tomato. And then I'm just adding a few little blueberries into the mix. And that's Tuesday's lunch ready to go. Then meal number 3, Wednesday, I have a deconstructed sort of Mexican quesadilla fajita thing going on. I've got a whole wheat tortilla, the cheese slices, black beans, and then just some cucumbers and fruit. Okay, meal number 4, I've got the falafel balls and another whole wheat tortilla. And then I'm going to add a little bit of crackers to this lunch and some blueberries. And then last thing I'm going to add is some more of the bell pepper. Okay, and then for Friday, special treat, my son loves English muffins. I put a little bit of that soy-free butter kind of spread, and then Marmite, his absolute favorite spread. It doesn't have much nutrition to it, but he loves the taste of it. It's very salty. And then just some tomatoes, the extra fruit that I had, which was pretty much everything left over, and then a banana, and that is Friday's meals. So of course, I wouldn't normally make all 5 on one night. I'm just showing them to you guys, but yeah. Okay guys, so those are my 5 preschool lunches. I hope you got some good ideas. If you have any ideas for me for what to take for lunches, please leave suggestions below. I always love to hear them. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!